Today we're going to read a story, Building a House by Byron Barton. They're building a house. They're using some tools. We've talked about this tool. It's a hammer, and they're putting up part of the house. Do you know what part of the house that is? Let's find out. On a green hill, a machine digs a big hole. Remember what that machine's called? A bulldozer, because it comes in and it takes out all the extra dirt, makes it flat for the house. Builders hammer and saw. They're building the foundation of the house. Remember, the foundation is one of the things that makes houses sturdy. There's our vocabulary word from whole group. Sturdy. This helps make the house nice and sturdy so that it won't fall over. A cement mixer pours cement or concrete all inside that frame. And that is what makes it really strong. It dries hard. Bricklayers lay large white bricks. So the bottom of the house is not wood, it is brick. Carpenters come and make a wooden floor. There's the floor. That's a part of the house that's pretty important, huh? They put up, what did they put up? Walls, good. They build a roof. They're building the roof. That's what they were doing on the front cover. See? They're building the roof. There's the roof of the house. He's got that same hammer that he's using. A bricklayer builds a fireplace and a chimney too. There's the chimney. And the inside of the house looks like this, where the fireplace is. You might have a fireplace in your house. Some people do. But this is the chimney. This is the part that's outside of the house that attaches. A plumber puts in pipes. For what? What do we use the pipes for? Do you remember? They go in the bathtub and the toilet and the sink. We use the pipes to give us water. See, there's a pipe up here for the shower. There's a pipe down here for where the water comes out of the faucet. So these are all the water pipes. An electrician wires for lights. The electrician, he does all of the plugs in the walls where you plug things in and all the switches where you turn lights on and off. An electrician does all of that in the house. Carpenters put on windows and doors. That's a very important part of the job. Those windows make the house where you can live in it, right? We have to have windows, can't have big holes in the walls. Painters paint inside and out. So you have to paint the inside walls, and they also paint all the outside to be finished. The workers leave. Look at that house. It reminds me of Christmas because it's red and green. The house is built. They finished it. They took that big blank hill and they put a house on it. And who's coming? Let's see. Let's look over here. What is happening? What do you think this is? What do you think's going to happen? I see a car and it looks like maybe a moving van. The family moves inside. Look at that. The family gets to move into a brand new house. taking all the furniture in and all their suitcases. They have a new house they get to live in. Very good. All right. Now, my question for you is, what is one job that you remember seeing in the book? So there was lots and lots of jobs and lots of people that were doing specific work in the book. But what are a couple, maybe one or two of the jobs that you remember from the story? And then tell me, why is that job important to building a house? So why is that job important when you're building a house? I can't wait to hear what your opinions are.